y'all, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I'm out of breath because I just got my package of shirts, so I ran back upstairs so I could start recording this video and getting these shirts out. Like, this delay kills me. So I'm going to take the shirts out, pull the inventory of the shirts that need to be pressed. I'm going to set them on this chair, and then I'm going to take the rest of the shirts and put them in the box with the other stuff. I probably need a bigger box, and I'll probably need to put the shirts that I'm going to use with sublimation over there. Separate them between black and white. That should make my life a little bit more easier. But yeah, so these shirts are supposed to be here Wednesday, and it's Saturday, so that's how I feel. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we're gonna start pressing shirts. I don't have on earrings. I have on all black because it's time to get to work. There is no time to be playing around. I gotta get these shirts out because I don't like being delayed. But delayed does not mean denied. Oh, somebody say, preach for me, okay? I showed you guys how I press a shirt. So now that the rest of my inventory is in, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up, have my list, have all my transfers here, and I'm just gonna put you guys on time lapse and go ahead and press all of these shirts, mark them off as I go, and then I'll come back and chit chat with you guys while I actually fold a few and pack a few. There's two that I thought I ordered some large shirts, but I didn't, and I have to get a so it tells me so that is pretty much it. I have shipped and packed, press, print all of the orders that I had. I'm shipping to the Netherlands this week, and to Canada. So one of the things about the Netherlands, so they print out a custom shipping label. So it's a regular shipping label, so it goes to like Philly, and then from there they put on the rest of the custom stuff to ship it to Netherlands. So I think that was my first order to that place, but I shipped to France not too long ago as well. So as you go and start shipping to different countries, you will learn, Canada and other places like that, the shipping is anywhere from $10 to sometimes $20 depending on the weight and the size. So make sure, like, when you have that stuff in your shop, that you know, just put the correct shipping information so you're not stuck paying extra. But I think that's it for this video. Again, if you guys want to shop with me, it's www.coinsandconnections.com. I hope you guys enjoy this watch me ship and pack my orders video, and until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.